In a primetime news update, Member of Parliament for Southwest St. Elizabeth, Floyd Green, says he's instructed the police to take a zero-tolerance approach to anyone found illegally mining sand in the parish. Residents of Parottee raised concern about the dangerous practice of some of their neighbors in the wake of Hurricane Melissa, dumping mounds of sand in the community. Krista Campbell has the details.
There's been no shortage of attention on the issue of sand mining since TVJ News highlighted the concerns of some residents of Parottee in St. Elizabeth about how the illegal practice was threatening their community and lives. Other residents had been selling the excess sand dumped onto their property and on the roads during Hurricane Melissa's onslaught. Adding his voice of condemnation, Member of Parliament for St. Elizabeth Southwestern Floyd Green stressed that as mining minister, it's a matter he takes seriously. And so,
I've spoken to Superintendent Coleridge Mento about this issue, and he's going to dispatch more police in the area to pay keen attention to that. We've also dispatched a team from the Ministry of Mining, the Commissioner of Mines, to look what is happening and to see if we to do our checks with any persons in and around the area who are already known for mining to ensure that they're not the ones involved in this illegal activity. We are taking a zero-tolerance approach to this. Once people are found, they will be prosecuted because this cannot be allowed to happen.
But it has been happening elsewhere in the parish too.
We went as far as to Fort Charles in Treasure Beach to also do some sites observations, and we actually noted or observed that persons were also taking sands from some of those areas.
The National Environment and Planning Agency, NEPA, says it is considering setting up sting operations to catch the perpetrators who are said to operate late in the nights. But amid concerns from residents for the sand to be removed and used to rebuild the fishing beach, the minister has responded.
Part of what we're doing is looking at what are the best engineering solutions for Parottee. And, you know, despite the frustration, I think people understand that this can't be rushed, because what has happened is that Hurricane Melissa has changed the whole profile of the community. It has showed some of the areas where the drainage was not working or where the drains were blocked and has caused additional areas to open up. It has removed a lot of sand and really almost changed the shape of the area. So already the technical teams are on the ground, the engineers are on the ground. The Prime Minister visited the area and has dispatched some instructions.
So what are these solutions?
We have done a temporary solution for the road that, you know, so that people could access both sides of the community, but that is not the permanent solution. The question is now, what do? Do you do a culvert? Do you do a bridge? What is the best way? And we've also done some studies dating back to look at how was Parottee before, because some people have an opinion that really what is happening is a restoration of how Parottee used to be. So we are looking at all of those. We will also have to look at, are there some areas that are no longer.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.